Hey guys, David here. Welcome to Digital Outlook, where you're gonna find the best community in all of crypto. In today's video, XRP is on the verge of a historic rally. So guys, without further ado, why don't we get to it? So guys, wow, have we ever seen an amazing day in this digital asset space? And remember all the fudsters back there when XRP was only 40 some cents and how it was never going to be able to breach 45. And then when it got up to 45.50, well, and then it gets into the 60 cents and on and on and on. And here we are at 67 cents, literally on the verge of watching something happen that has not happened very often in this ecosystem. And guys, what the charts are showing, most of these technical analysis folks, is something truly historic that could send XRP on a monumental rally. Now just take a look at this article right over here and check out this title: 4-day golden cross pattern, XRP's historical rally towards $14. Now just listen to this. A golden cross formation on XRP's 4-day chart suggests a bullish market trend historically associated with substantial price surges. Now listen to this. Previous occurrences of the golden cross in XRP's history have led to significant rallies, including a 650x appreciation in 2018 and a 1,000% rise in 2021. Now, guys, we know what happened in 2021, don't we? Because the SEC came out and they sued Ripple in 2020, December of 2020. And what happened to the price of XRP? Yeah, it just absolutely tumbled down there right to 17.48 cents. In fact, being delisted from every U.S. exchange save Uphold. 4 months later, guys, it was $1.97. Now get this, like I said, being delisted from every single exchange in the US except for Uphold and an SEC lawsuit on it. Now ask yourself this: what other digital asset in the entirety of this digital asset space would have fared any better than what XRP did in 2021 with that going on? Guys, just think of it. You think Bitcoin or Ethereum would have been able to do it? Not on your life. Every time that you have heard China or India or any other country threaten that they are going to ban Bitcoin, what's happened to the price of Bitcoin? You guessed it. It just absolutely gets crushed. So don't tell me that, hey, under the same circumstances that they would have fared. And get this, throughout the entirety of that whole charade that went on between the SEC and Ripple, XRP never once left the top 10 for market cap. Now that is truly phenomenal. Absolutely stupendous. Now listen to this here. XRP's bullish signal, the golden cross. The cryptocurrency XRP, renowned for its speedy and efficient transactions, has recently formed another golden cross on its 4-day time frame chart. This technical chart pattern, identified by crypto analyst JD, historically heralds a period of bullish market behavior and imminent price breakouts. In technical analysis, a golden cross occurs when a shorter-term moving average moves above a longer-term moving average. This pattern is widely recognized as a bullish signal in the market, indicating that recent price trends are favorably inclined. For XRP, the shorter moving average crossing above the longer moving average suggests potential upward momentum. The first notable golden cross in XRP's history occurred in November of 2017. This event was followed by a staggering 700% rise in XRP's value. Although a subsequent correction saw a 64% drop, however, XRP then surged to an all-time high. And guys, they have it down here as $3.31. Well, depending on the exchange, it went as high as $3.84. in January of 2018, marking a remarkable 650x increase from its initial value. A similar pattern emerged in late 2020 when XRP experienced another golden cross, leading to a 1,000% rise in its value by April of 2021, despite an initial 40% correction. Well, that 40% correction happened because, of course, what happened with the SEC. Guys, what's coming next, I'm telling you, it is going to leave most people totally gobsmacked. They're absolutely unprepared for it because they're following for all of this absolute, almost planned FUD that we hear each and every day, on and on and on. Now, listen to this. XRP's recent formation of a golden cross has heightened excitement among investors and analysts. According to JD's analyst, XRP has been trading below a multi-year downtrend since January of 2018. The golden cross suggests that XRP might soon break above this trend line, potentially initiating another significant price rally. While a specific price target remains speculative, JD's projections hint at a rally that could push XRP's value beyond the $14 mark. Achieving this would represent a dramatic 2,060% increase from its current trading price, and at that time that this was written was 64.79. Guys, listen, we literally saw a 1,200% return in 4 months back there, like I had just pointed out. A 2,060% return? I'm telling you, I think it's going to go way, way beyond that. Now, listen to this right here. The anticipation surrounding XRP's latest golden cross formation has sparked discussions about its potential trajectory in the cryptocurrency market. If history repeats itself, XRP could experience a remarkable price surge, cementing its position as a prominent digital asset in the crypto space. Investors and traders are closely monitoring this development, understanding that such a technical patterns can significantly influence market dynamics and investor sentiment. Guys, it is going wild right now, and what an amazing ride it'll be. Now, just check this out, because of course, we're dealing with different time frames, and on the shorter time frame, listen to this right here. XRP Ripple price breakout to 80 cents anticipated as new user accounts skyrocket. And a lot of people are in this space, oh, poo-poo on the 80 cents, guys. When have they not dumped on XRP? Regardless what the price has ever been. When it was 20 cents, 30 cents, 40 cents, 50 cents, I mean, on and on and on. And tell me this, in what other marketplace are you ever going to see these kind of percentage gains? I'm telling you guys, it does not exist. This digital asset space for me and Judy, I'm telling you what, it represents opportunities of a lifetime. Now just listen to this right here. XRP price has exhibited a volatile performance this week, bouncing from lows of 59 cents to a local peak of 65. And guys, at the time that I recorded this video, XRP was up at 67 cents. And I'm going to show you something quite interesting with that. Despite the choppy XRP price movement, the Ripple-backed blockchain network has attracted an unusually high number of new users. Unlike most top 10 mega cap assets, the current relative strength index trends show that XRP is far from overbought territory, which could attract more prospective investors. XRP holders have endured significant volatility, of course, going from 59 to 65 cents. Now, the new user accounts, they are off like crazy. And guys, that tells you right there, the interest in this space is absolutely stupendous. A sudden pullback saw XRP, listen to this, briefly trace below 60 cents on December 1st. While another mega cap cryptos like Bitcoin and Ethereum raced to new yearly peaks. Despite the choppy performance, the XRP Ledger network has continued to attract an unusually high number of new users this week. According to Santiment, a prominent on-chain data tracking tool, XRP growth has been in an uptrend over the last 2 months. Ripple's series of legal victories over the US SEC has played a pivotal role in attracting new users to the XRP Ledger network. And guys, we are not just talking retail. I'm telling you what, we are seeing institutional interest and adoption with XRP like we have never seen before. The partnerships that Ripple is making. You got SBI Remit out there literally using on-demand liquidity Ripple payments, which utilizes XRP into the billions of dollars in Southeast Asia. You absolutely have, all these other partnerships like what happened in Dubai. And of course, in Singapore, the money service business license they got. It is truly crazy what's going on. And eventually, hey, the price is going to catch up with the fundamentals, to be sure. Despite the volatile price trend this week, XRP network growth recorded significant spikes. Looking at the chart below, XRP registered only 1,897 new user wallets on Sunday, December 2nd. But since then, the figure has skyrocketed by 54%, hitting 2,933 at the close of December 7th. Network growth is a vital on-chain metric that measures the rate at which a blockchain ecosystem is currently attracting new users. It essentially tracks the number of new user wallets created within a given period. Logically, a significant increase in network growth is interpreted as a bullish signal. It indicates that new users are trooping into the XRP ecosystem as the team puts its legal squabbles with the regulators to bed. Absolutely. I mean, it is the only digital asset in the entirety of this digital asset space inside the United States with absolute legal clarity granted to it by a federal judge in federal court. Guys, that is absolutely massive. In short term, XRP price has relative unperformed compared to the likes of Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Solana. However, having settled a majority of the long-running legal squabbles that cause widespread fear, uncertainty, and doubt, of course, that FUD, among investors since 2021, XRP is expected to welcome more prospective investors in the weeks ahead. Guys, I have been there to see it, and a lot of the other people on this channel have too, where it's just tinkered along. Like I say, tinkered along, till one day, boom, she went, and oh my goodness, did she ever fly. Literally, millionaires were made during that time. I'm telling you what, guys, XRP has the potential to literally revolutionize not just your life, but generations. It has already done. Do you realize? Now, some do, most do, and I've shared this before, but back there on January 4th of 2017, you could have purchased 1 million XRP with just $6,000, and 1 year later, even if you were to go with the low scale on those where it talked about XRP hitting an all-time high of $3.31, where other exchanges it was $3.84, even on a low scale, you would have took that $6,000 and translated it into more than $3 million just in 1 year. You don't think XRP has changed lives? I'm telling you, it has done amazing things in a lot of people's lives. Now, unlike most top 10 mega cap app's strong performance this week, XRP's relative strength index is currently trending at 61.96, with some distance away from overbought threshold at 70 cents. This could attract more prospective investors to enter long positions on XRP. The Bollinger Band indicator also confirms growing bullish momentum. It shows that XRP price has recently broken above the upper Bollinger Band at 65 cents. However, for the bulls aim for a new 2023 peak above 83 cents, they must first clear the 68 cent area. And guys, we are right there. I'm going to show you in just a second, which has been a major accumulation zone in recent months, with many investors due to break even around 68 cents. The bears could capitalize to force another retracement, but if the bulls can scale that resistance zone, XRP price could rally towards the 85 cents area as predicted. Guys, it is absolutely insane what we are seeing right now, and it's only just the beginning. Judy and I were there for that last run, and what we saw in that last bull run literally transformed our lives. And I'm telling you, it was insane. Do you realize even today, with a lot of the assets that we have held on to and all that in this bear market, we are still up well over $1,000 1,000% in what you would classify as a bear market. I'm telling you, my belief is what's coming next is going to blow the doors off of what most people's expectations are, to be sure. Now, guys, I want to show you something really cool right over here. Just check this out. Now, guys, just before I started recording, I took this snapshot here of Fiat Leak for XRP. And if you are hearing all kinds of, oh, no one's interested in XRP or whatever, guys, look at where we are right now. 67 cents. I'm kid you not. And if you don't think people are buying, they are buying like crazy. The volume is off the charts. Go out and research it for yourself. Guys, I'm telling you, when you see all this stuff going on, you are watching something major take place. Now, just take a listen to this article right here, and I'm going to show you something that is really quite cool. Ripple scores a major win with successful Palau stablecoin pilot. Now, Ripple successfully concludes phase 1 of the Palau stablecoin pilot project. Pilot Phase 1 officially launched on March 1st of 2023, involving 168 volunteers and minted 20,000 Palau stablecoins. Further deployment is contingent upon approval by the Palau government. But guys, this is significant, and why? A lot of people don't really realize that the absolute national currency of Palau, guys, guess what it is? It is the United States dollar. You are literally watching a stable coin being built by Ripple, utilized by the nation of Palau, that is using the US dollar as its native currency. I'm telling you what, guys, that's not happening by mistake, and it's certainly not happening without the Federal Reserve knowing about it, the issuer of the United States dollar. Palau has to go and get that approval before it can go out and do that. Guys, I'm telling you, what's going on behind the scenes will literally blow your mind. Now, rather than go through this entire article, I would say go out there, research it for yourself, read up on this stuff. I'm telling you what's happening. Most people literally are absolutely oblivious to it. And if you're aware of this space, you should count yourself blessed, because guys, I'll tell you what, Judy and I, we absolutely believe that this thing is going to totally revolutionize not just our life, but our children and our grandchildren. Generational wealth, I absolutely believe it is on the way. So guys, today has proven what I have always said. Things in this space can change literally on a dime, and that is why it is so vitally important for you to get your plan in place. And what our coaching program offers, that is where you and I can meet personally one-on-one for 1 hour over Zoom. And during that time, I share with you our personal journey in that last bull run and what enabled Judy and I to experience some amazing financial success. I share with you the mistakes we made so that you don't have to fall into the same pitfalls we did. We take a look at your portfolio and make sure that it's balanced towards your goals, and we work together to develop your exit strategy. We can even get your assets off an exchange and onto a hardware wallet, along with delivering to you some amazing techniques that are really going to help you in this space. Now, the cost of that is $250, and if that's something that interests you, you write me right there at coaching@thedigitaloutlook.com, and we'll get you all booked in. So guys, this is the video I have for you today, and as always, I truly hope that you enjoyed it. Now, many of you know I'm not a financial advisor, and this isn't financial advice, but if you found value in it, if you'd hit that like and subscribe, I'd appreciate it. And hey, don't forget to put your comments right down there in the comment section and hit that notification bell so that you don't miss out on any of our regularly released videos. So, in the meantime, and in between time, stay safe, be blessed, and I'll catch you in the next one.